There you go, soap it.
School may be over, but the lessons are just beginning.
What our program is about is to give students an opportunity for hands-on skills so that they can better prepare for either high school or life after high school.
This one you got to really get in here because there's bugs.
For the first time ever this summer, Greenfield USD and the Schuetz Career Center have partnered to offer our special education students hands-on career training.
We cover a lot. We have 6 of our 8 programs going at this time. We have a culinary arts program where they're doing all kinds of baking and things like that.
And that's just the beginning. Our students are exposed to welding, woodworking, and graphic arts.
And it's going to flip the other way.
The goal is for our students to develop skills and discover new interests as they transition out of middle school.
I mean, the main thing for me is just seeing, how involved and how excited the kids are. That's what gives me energy every day. I love seeing the different things that they do. They enjoy it. And it's just an awesome all-around experience for all students. And so our goal will be to make sure other students can see what's going on so they have that opportunity for the future.
We are Greenfield, dedicated to children.